Ah, well, welcome to Off Grid and On the Fly. We had a rain day yesterday, so we didn't get to work on the cart. But I bought some paint for it. Look at that. I got shot with a piece of metal right there, and I just got it out yesterday. Man, that looks like a nasty ass thing, don't it? Show you how much I stare at my face, huh? I know. Anyhow, I'm gonna, like I said the other day, the roof Stebbins. I'm gonna paint the bottom of it. I don't know why I chose. Yeah, and I'm fixing to lose this teeth too. That's a long story of another time. Anyhow, um, I'm gonna paint the bottom of it with undercoating. I don't know why. Probably because it's just got that Lawan for a floor. I mean, it seems pretty sturdy. I haven't stood in it, but it seems pretty sturdy. Sturdy. Anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys today the solar on my um, camper. So, hold on, let me flip it around and we'll be at the camper. Alright, well, here we are at the front of the camper. That's my utility box. I got my propane in there, and I got my battery bank over on that side. Sides up somewhere around here. And that's for the battery, and this is for the propane. This is for the e-bike. I mount my forks on there, and we're fucking riding. Well, we strap it down too. You never leave nothing unstrapped. That's a truck driver rule. I used to be a truck driver, amongst other things. Ain't nothing wet over there. That's nice. That means got a leak up here. Somewhere. We got a leak in that box. Where are we leaking at? Ain't none of them bolts. Yeah. What do you see in there? Alright, let me move you up closer. Oh yeah. That's the utility box. In propane. I built this. I mean, not the box itself, but the utility. And this is all for the awnings on both sides, because I got an awning on both sides. I call it one side my carport. Park my truck under. Yeah, there's one guy told me. He says, told me, see my setup, and I got it. At that time, I had a grill, stuff. Let me put you over here. Are you seeing all right? And all I'm doing right now is getting this stuff out. I got my extra long solar cords. Got the short power cord. It's 20 feet, I think. I don't know. It's something I had laying around here. I made a cord out of. Had that end on it. It's 30 amp. Actually, I really think it came out of that camper there, which is now a tiny house. So anyhow, give you a better look over here. See, I got one of them nice fancy MPPT for my solar. All fucking Wi-Fi. But that's about all I got for Wi-Fi on here. It doesn't really come with Wi-Fi. I had to buy that thing. That black box over there. That way, that makes that Wi-Fi. Have a hookup for it. I don't know what this shit's called. I just know how to do it sometimes. And I forget how to take this shit out. Alright. Now look at that bad boy down there. Huh? Hiding amongst the fucking... Look at that mess of monstrosity. Anyhow, I got a... I think that's a 60 amp in there. That power bank. Or that breaker bank. That goes to the inverter. So this wire is inverter. And then I got a fuse. It goes from the... Where you go? Oh, I gotta fuse it. I don't remember. I got a fuse from here. That goes from here to the power bank. So the power goes too much. This is a breaker for the solar panels. This is where you plug in. This is where you plug in the solar panels. This is, I think, switches. I think that's for these switches. I have to look back there. Yeah. That's what they are. That's a switch plug. See how they're all nice and neat up in there? This is so I can charge that, but I have to be plugged into shore power to be able to charge that battery. I go into there and I put the charger on there. That's short. This here is for my diesel heater, which this winter I'll be using. Of course, we're down in Florida and people think you don't freeze down here, but little do they know, it get cold. Yeah, this here's the on and off switch. I can shut the whole system down. That goes to another 60 amp block fuse. I don't know if that's what they call. That's what I call them. But those are my bus bars, negative, positive. Well, that's it. I showed you everything I got right now. Let me know what you think. Did I do something wrong? Does it look pretty? Does it look like shit? I mean, I'm a big person. Seriously. But, you know, I got broad shoulders. I can take criticism. Anyhow, peace out, man.